How to make legitimate money from home. 10 proven ways to earn income ethically in the digital age. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities for individuals seeking legitimate ways to make money from the comfort of their homes. Whether you're looking for a full-time remote job or a side hustle to supplement your income, there are several ethical and legal avenues to explore. In this article, we'll discuss 10 proven methods to make money legitimately from home, empowering you to take control of your financial future. 1. Remote job opportunities. Numerous companies now offer remote job positions, allowing employees to work from home. Search for reputable job portals and company websites for remote job listings in your field of expertise. Common remote job roles include customer service representatives, virtual assistants, content writers, graphic designers, and software developers. Ensure you submit professional applications and tailor your resume to showcase relevant skills and experiences. 2. Online freelancing. Freelancing platforms provide an excellent opportunity to offer your skills and services to clients worldwide. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with employers seeking specific tasks. Identify your strengths and expertise, create a compelling profile, and bid on projects that align with your abilities. As you build a positive reputation through client feedback, you can attract more clients and secure higher-paying projects. 3. Start a niche blog. Creating a niche blog can be a fulfilling way to generate income while sharing your passions and expertise. Select a topic that you're knowledgeable about and have a genuine interest in. Consistently publish high-quality, valuable content and optimize your blog for search engines to increase its visibility. You can monetize your blog through advertisements, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and even selling digital products or courses. 4. Sell handcrafted products. If you have artistic skills or enjoy crafting, consider selling your handcrafted products online. Platforms like Etsy provide a marketplace to showcase and sell your unique creations to a global audience. Take high-quality photographs of your products and write compelling product descriptions. Engage with your customers and offer exceptional customer service to build a loyal following and increase sales. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing enables you to earn commissions by promoting products or services from other companies. Join reputable affiliate programs relevant to your niche or interests. Create content that educates and informs your audience about the products you're promoting and include your affiliate links. Be transparent with your audience about your affiliate partnerships to build trust and credibility. 6. Online tutoring and teaching. If you excel in a subject or have specialized knowledge, online tutoring or teaching can be a rewarding way to make money from home. Many platforms, such as VIP Kid and Teachable, connect educators with students seeking personalized learning experiences. Set your schedule according to your availability and enjoy the flexibility of teaching from the comfort of your home. 7. Rent out your space. If you have an extra room or a vacant property, consider renting it out on platforms like Airbnb or Vrbo. This approach can be particularly lucrative if you live in a popular tourist destination. Turning your unused space into a short-term rental can generate a steady income stream without requiring significant effort on your part. 8. Create and sell online courses. If you possess expertise in a particular field, you can create and sell online courses. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera offer a vast audience for your educational content. Focus on in-demand topics and ensure your course content is well-structured and engaging. As word spreads about the value of your courses, your earnings can grow substantially. 9. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube has become a powerful platform for content creators to share their ideas and passions. By creating engaging videos on topics that resonate with your target audience, you can grow a substantial following. Monetize your YouTube channel through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Remember to optimize your video titles and descriptions with relevant keywords to improve discoverability. 10. Pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals, consider pet sitting or dog walking as a way to make extra money. Many pet owners prefer leaving their furry companions in a familiar home environment instead of traditional boarding facilities. Websites like Rover and Wag connect pet sitters and dog walkers with pet owners, providing an opportunity to earn money while spending time with adorable animals. Conclusion: making extra money from home is within your reach with the right mindset and a willingness to explore diverse opportunities. Whether you choose to start a blog, venture into affiliate marketing, offer your skills as a freelancer, or pursue any other method listed here, dedication and consistent effort are key to success. Remember, each method may require time to gain momentum, so stay persistent, be patient, and enjoy the journey towards financial freedom. Click the link below to see my top-rated pick.